Miss Grub. You having a good day? Miss Grub's having a good day. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be making pet tornadoes. As you can see, these are those toys, you know. They're called pet tornadoes, you know. And like when you shake them, you know, like, you know. And when you shake them, it makes kind of like a tornado effect. As you can see there, it looks kind of like a tornado. I'll shake it better that time. So, what you're going to need for this project, you are going to need to shut the nearest door to your, this is my left, but it might be your right. So the nearest door to your right. My left. Okay, guys, welcome to, I already said that. Okay, so, what you need to do is, you need to get water. The most important aspect of this project is water, okay? Also, we're not just making a tornado. No, it's depending on which way you shake it, you know? Like, it could be a blizzard. You could put a snowman in there made out of clay. I did that with one of my tornadoes that I made a couple years ago. But this time we're making a tornado. So I got some Legos to put in it. So it looks like pieces of buildings are flying with the wind. So, you are also going to need dish soap. Dish soap. You need dish soap, okay? Dish soap, water, and something to put it in. Now this is wet because I already did this before, but I had to restart the video because I didn't do it exactly right. Yeah? And the most important thing you need, it's secret. So what you want to do is, you know, it's not a secret anymore since, you know, Miss Grub. Do you believe her? Miss Grub she ain't gonna stop trying to hit me. She hates me since I use her as a punching bag when I feel like it. But the most important aspect, even more than water, is the glitter. Shake it. Ooh, okay, that's what you need. You need glitter. I'm putting that down there for now. So what you want to do is you want to take your bottle. You should not use something this shape. You should use something more like this shape, because this shape doesn't work as well, but I'm going to use it since it's the only thing I have. Whew, and then I might make another one that's different. It might be in one of these things. But what you want to do is you want to take your water and you just want to pour it in. And that's not enough water, so I have a backup over here, and I'm just gonna pour the rest of that in. Still got a little bit left. Now, you want to take this, if you guys can see that, and you want to take your soap, and you want to pour it in there, okay? You just want to pour it in. Pour it in. You just want a little bit, though. You don't need too much. Now, what you want to do is if you want glitter, you're going to have to get glitter, okay? Now, if you want glitter, you should put it in. I'm using glitter. I'm using like a rusty glitter. I'm using brass or whatever color this is. Copper or something, whatever color this is, but I'm using this color. Just put a little bit in, and then I'm putting my Legos in. Lego 1, Lego 2, Lego 3. Sink these. Oh, Legos don't sink. That's gonna be a problem. Now, what you want to do is you want to close it all up. And you want to shake it. You see my tornado? So there is your tornado in a bottle. Now, can you guys see that whole tornado? I don't know if you can. I think you can. Yeah, okay. So there is your tornado in a bottle. Now, it works better if you do take the Legos out. So I will do that especially for you guys. Take them out one by one. Look what you did. You made... Okay, I'm not blaming this on you guys. I'm just kidding. But now everything I own is wet, so you gotta pour some more water back in there. Just for you guys. I will be nice. Now just... See, now it works better. But... So there, guys! That's your tornado in a bottle! I have now made a mess! That's your tornado in a bottle! Hashtag... Get out of my way! Slash... Pet tornado. So, guys, remember to comment in the comments if you made it this far in the video. To comment. Whatever should I say? I got it. Miss Grub. And if you hate the video, you absolutely hate the video, then you know what you should do? You know what you should do? You should just like the video anyway, because you know why not. Also, like the video if you like it. Like the video if you hate it. And if you don't like the video, remember Miss Grub. You see Miss Grub? She's actually possessed. She knows everything. And if she figures out that you didn't like the video, she will give you a nose punch. She'll give you a nose punch. But for every like on this video, she will get a taste of her own medicine. Boy, oh boy, ow, get ya. I'm gonna get you. Nose punch. So, remember to like the video, because her nose punches, they hurt. She's trying to do it to me right now. They hurt a lot. So, you guys,